So some of you guys wanted a better explanation on how to remove this display and how to take the shroud off. So what you want to do is you want to work your way from the bottom, pop this panel off. This is loose now. And then you can reach your hand in here and pop this piece off. Now that's enough to get this piece off. So for this piece, let's just pry it up like this. There's two 10mm right here that you take out. After, you can pull the display up. Two connections right there. Video. And this thing, and then the one clip down there. Then you can remove this out of the car. And that's how you do it. Hope this helped anybody else that had some issues with it.